Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York. I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City on a nice August hot summer day. I just left Gardener's Basin, had a nice boat ride. I don't know if I uploaded that video yet when this one's being recorded, so if it's on there, check it out. If not, it will be coming up on the channel soon. That boat ride lasted about an hour. It went from 11 in the morning to 12 in the afternoon. And it is starting to get very warm here. It's supposed to go up to like 100 degrees and feel even hotter with the humidity. So right now I am heading to the Golden Nugget. I want to check out that deck bar, maybe have a nice little lunch and a cold brew. So why don't you come along with me, huh? Alrighty, so I made it to the Golden Nugget. I'm gonna head over to the deck. Free parking at the Golden Nugget, by the way. It's pretty awesome. I'm on level 4, so I'm gonna head downstairs and we'll check out the marina before we go to the restaurant. This marina is Farley State Marina. It doesn't belong to the Golden Nugget, but it certainly does give the Golden Nugget a nice view, if you ask me. Right behind me with those folded up umbrellas is the deck bar at the Golden Nugget. It's Tuesday afternoon around 12:30, so it's kind of quiet over there, which is pretty much what I'm in the mood for. That place really does get jumping with live bands, especially on the weekend. It's packed. But today it's going to be like a chill afternoon there. Maybe I'm going to order something light to eat, maybe a nice cold beer, then head over to the Golden Nugget in Harwich to do some videos over there. So in the meantime, let's head over to the deck bar, shall we? That's the stage, which obviously is closed right now, but on the weekends it's open and they have really good bands that play here. I was here last year and there was a Chicago cover band and they must have had at least 12, maybe 15 people in the band, including a whole horn section and lots of guitars and a bass player and drummer. And it was a really big band and this place was mobbed. That video from last year is available here on the New York channel, but even in that video you're not going to hear the band because of copyright issues. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Deborah Camacho once again, who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in my last Las Vegas video, Pizza at the Las Vegas Eataly. Congratulations, Deborah. As far as the bar is concerned, the deck has the standard fare of beers and wines. They also have a sangria, which I didn't even realize. I might have had that instead of the beer, because that's also refreshing. But the sangria, they have a 16 ounce for $12, I think it says. And it goes all the way up to 64 ounces, which is $44. Who would order a 44 ounce sangria, unless that's a pitcher? Maybe that's what that is, that's a pitcher. Even at a pitcher, that's kind of expensive. Regardless, they also have chilled shots and some frozen cocktails, including frozen margaritas, daiquiris, pina coladas, something called the Miami Vice, and Tito's frozen lemonade. Now the food menu is almost perfect. It's very simple yet diverse. They have some great starters here. As a matter of fact, last time I was here with friends, and all we did was order starters, all of us. I had the peel and eat shrimp, we had some crispy coconut shrimp, and if I remember, we ordered that buffalo chicken dip. Everyone ordered a starter, and we just passed it around, and sometimes that's fun to do. They also have garden salads and platters, and let's see, they have the deck burger. The chicken sandwich is what I ordered. It was $15.50. It's a grilled chicken breast served with cheddar cheese, lettuce, tomato, and honey mustard sauce on a toasted brioche bun. It's served with fries. My waitress suggested bacon on top, and I thought that was a great idea, so I went along with that. They also have pizza, desserts, and of course cocktails. There was another person sitting at the table across from me, but they left, so I'm the only one here right now. But that's okay. A little chill time by myself. Never hurt anybody. I got my Bud Light already. I'm ordering the chicken sandwich, which is a grilled chicken breast served with cheddar cheese, lettuce, tomato, honey mustard sauce on a toasted brioche bun, and French fries. Sounds good. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. The sandwich is very good. I put a little bit of honey mustard on it. It didn't come with bacon, but the waitress suggested it. Always up for a good suggestion, and it was a good call. The bacon really makes the sandwich. More people are showing up. I don't feel so lonely anymore. French fries are good. They're crispy, they're tender on the inside, and they're seasoned perfectly. Coming up on the left is some blackjack tables, and I have seen dealers out here on other visits, and of course the surveillance cameras up above. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video. And that was it, my very early lunch here at the deck at the Golden Nugget on the Farley Marina. I really enjoyed the sandwich. Everything came to about 28 bucks. My chicken sandwich was juicy. That bacon that the waitress suggested was a great suggestion. It really topped off that sandwich nicely. And the fries were good too. And of course, nothing like a nice cold beer when it's almost 100 degrees out and it's only 1 o'clock right now. So the place does get obviously a lot busier during the weekends and during happy hour here during the week. And again, live music. Actually, it's hard to find a table here. I have an older video of the deck, probably about 2 years ago, if you want to check that video out. It was a lot more crowded then as well. So, but I really did enjoy my lunch, and I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thanks a lot, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.